Hello students, in last video we have seen the definition of group and abelian group. Next, notation. A group G with the binary operation star star is denoted as group G with binary operation star. Next example, consider a set G equal to Z under the binary operation subtraction. To check Z is group or not under subtraction. Not here S. Let AB belongs to Z, then their subtraction also belongs to Z. Means subtraction is the binary operation on Z. Here we proved. First, associativity. Consider any three elements of Z. 1, 3, 4 belongs to Z. Let A equal to 1, B equal to 3, C equal to 4. A minus B minus C equal to 1 minus 3 minus 4 equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 equal to minus 6. Now A minus of B minus C equal to A is 1 minus B is 3 minus 4. 1 minus 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 1 minus minus plus 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here we get A minus B minus C equal to minus 6 and A minus of B minus C equal to 2. Minus 6 is not equal to 2, therefore A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus of B minus C. Therefore, subtraction on Z is not associative. That's why Z is not a group under subtraction because associativity does not holds on Z. Next example, consider G equal to R plus under multiplication. Here consider AB belongs to G, then A into B also belongs to G, not R star, R plus, positive real numbers, R plus. AB belongs to G, then their multiplication also belongs to G. G is nothing but the number of positive real numbers. Now A, B, C belongs to R plus, then their multiplication is also associative. Therefore, R plus holds associativity under multiplication. Second, 1 belongs to R plus, therefore A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A for all A belongs to R plus. Therefore 1 is identity in R plus. Third, A belongs to R plus, also 1 upon A belongs to R plus. Therefore A into 1 upon A equal to 1. A into 1 upon A equal to 1. 1 is nothing but the identity of R plus. Therefore 1 upon A is the inverse of A for all A belongs to R plus. Therefore R plus is a group under multiplication. Under multiplication. Because R plus satisfies these three properties: associativity, identity and inverse. Next example. Is let G be the set. Next example, let G be the set of 2 by 2 matrices, 2 by 2 matrices with real entries, under usual matrix addition, under usual matrix addition. We now prove that G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. First, take two matrices in G, and G is nothing but the set of 2 by 2 matrices A equal to A1, B1, C1, D1, B equal to matrix of A2, B2, C2, D2. Add these two, we get A1, B1, C1, D1 plus A2, B2, C2, D2 equal to A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2, C1 plus C2, D1 plus D2, where AI, BI belongs to R, because G be the set of 2 by 2 matrices with real entries, means G is the set of 2 by 2 matrices such that A, B, C, D belongs to R. AI, BI belongs to R means their addition also belongs to R. Therefore A plus B also belongs to G. Therefore G is closed under addition. G is closed under addition. Next, associativity. Take three matrices of G. A equal to A1, B1, C1, D1, B equal to A2, B2, C2, D2, C equal to A3, B3, C3, D3. A plus B plus C equal to A1, B1, C1, D1 plus A2, B2, C2, D2 plus A3, B3, C3, D3 equal to A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2, C1 plus C2, D1 plus D2 plus A3, B3, C3, D3. Now add these two matrices, we get A1 plus A2 plus A3, B1 plus B2 plus B3, C1 plus C2 plus C3, D1 plus D2 plus D3. Here AI, BI, CI, AI, BI, CI belongs to R. Therefore, AI plus BI plus CI equal to AI plus BI plus CI because addition is associative in R. Therefore, A plus B plus C can be written as from this A1 plus A2 plus A3, B1 plus B2 plus B3, C1 plus C2 plus C3, D1 plus D2 plus D3. Here we only arrange the terms. Now arrange the matrices A1, B1, C1, D1 plus A2 plus A3, B2 plus B3, C2 plus C3, D2 plus D3. Meaning of these two steps are equal. There is no change, which is equal to A1, B1, C1, D1 plus. Now this matrix also arranged by matrix of A2, B2, C2, D2 plus A3, B3, C3, D3. Also here no change, which is equal to this matrix is nothing but TA plus and this matrix B plus C. Therefore, addition is associative on G and G is the set of 2 by 2 matrices with real entries. Now third, identity O is nothing but the 2 by 2 matrices with all the entries 0 belongs to R because belongs to R, not belongs to G. 0 belongs to R. 0 belongs to R. Take A of G equal to A, B, C, D belongs to G. A plus O equal to A, B, C, D plus 0, 0, 0. We get A plus 0, B plus 0, C plus 0, D plus 0 equal to A plus 0, A, B plus 0, B, C plus 0, C, D plus 0, D, which is equal to A. Similarly, we get O plus A equal to A. Therefore, O is the identity of G. Therefore, O equal to 0, 0, 0 is the identity of G. Here A is for all A belongs to G. This property must satisfies all the elements of G. Now inverse. Third, inverse. A belongs to G, minus A also belongs to G. Why? A equal to A, B, C, D, also minus A, minus B, minus C, minus D, which is equal to minus A also belongs to G. A plus minus A equal to A, B, C, D plus minus A is nothing but D, minus A, minus B, minus C, minus D. Add these two matrix, we get A plus minus A, B plus minus B, C plus minus C, D plus minus D, which is equal to A minus A, B minus B, C minus C, D minus D, which is equal to A minus A 0, B minus B 0, C minus C 0, D minus D 0. We get here identity. Therefore, minus A is the inverse of A for all A belongs to G. Therefore, by definition of group, G satisfies all the properties, therefore G is group under addition. Now here we show that G is abelian or not. For to show that G is an abelian group, first we have to show that G is group or not. Here we shown that G is group. Now for abelian group, now to show that G is abelian, take two matrices of G, A equal to A, B, C, D or A1, B1, C1, D1, B equal to A2, B2, C2, D2. Now add these two matrices, we get A plus B equal to A1, B1, C1, D1 plus A2, B2, C2, D2, which is equal to A1 plus A2, B1 plus B2, C1 plus C2, D1 plus D2. Here AI, BI belongs to R, means AI plus BI equal to BI plus AI, because addition is commutative on R. That's why here we write this step A2 plus A1, B2 plus B1, C2 plus C1, D2 plus D1, which is equal to A2, B2, C2, D2 plus A1, B1, C1, D1, which is equal to this matrix equal to B matrix plus this matrix equal to A matrix. Here we get A plus B equal to B plus A. Therefore, addition is commutative on G. Therefore, gives G is group under addition as equation number 1, and addition is commutative on G gives as equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get G is an abelian group. G is an abelian group. Now, next example. Consider a subset G equal to set of 1 minus 1 I minus I of complex numbers under complex multiplication the composition table or Cayley table is as follows. The composition table or Cayley table for G is as follows. For composition table we write first element, write row wise. Elements of G are nothing but D. G equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I. Write 1 minus 1 I minus I. Now column wise 1 minus 1 I minus I. Also binary operation here, nothing but the multiplication. Now 1 into 1, 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into I, 1 into minus I, minus I. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 into I, minus I, minus 1 into minus I, plus I into 1, I into minus 1, minus I into I square, I into I square, and I square is nothing but the minus 1, minus 1. I into minus I into minus I equal to minus I square, and minus I square equal to plus 1. I minus I into 1, minus I into minus 1, plus I, minus I into I, plus 1, minus I into minus I into minus I equal to plus I square equal to minus 1. This is the composition table for G under binary operation multiplication. Now here we can observe that 1 is the identity of G, because 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. I into 1, I. Minus I into 1, minus I. 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. I into I into 1, I. Minus I into 1, minus I. Therefore 1 is the identity of G. 1 minus 1, I minus I. Also we can see that if AB belongs to G, means AB are nothing but the elements of this set. A into B also belongs to G, because in this square we observe that these entries are nothing but the entries of G. That's why A into B belongs to G. Therefore G is closed under multiplication, Also A, B, C belongs to G, then A into B into C equal to A into B into C. Therefore multiplication is associative on G. Also here identity is 1. In first row 1 is here, means 1 into 1 equal to 1. Also in second row 1 is here, and it is the multiplication of minus 1 into minus 1, means minus 1 into minus 1 we get plus 1. Also in third row 1 is here, it is the multiplication of I into minus I into minus I equal to 1. And in fourth row 1 is here, and it is the multiplication of minus I into I. Minus I into I equal to 1, means here right hand side identity, therefore inverse of 1 is 1, inverse of minus 1 is minus 1, inverse of I is minus I, inverse of minus I is I. Therefore inverse of 1 minus 1 I minus I are 1 minus 1 minus I plus I respectively. Therefore here we get G is closed under multiplication. Also multiplication is associative on G. 1 is the identity of G, and inverse of 1 minus 1 I minus I are 1 minus 1 minus I plus I respectively. Therefore by definition of group G equal to 1, minus 1 I minus I is a group under multiplication. Now we can see that if AB belongs to G is the set of 1 minus 1 I minus I, then A into B equal to B into A. Therefore multiplication is commutative on G. Therefore use as equation number 1 for this and give as equation number 2 for this. Here we get G is group under multiplication, and also here we get multiplication is commutative on G. Therefore by definition of abelian group and from 1 and 2 we get G is abelian group. G is abelian group under multiplication. We stop here.